With Seasam Underwater Drone comes an access to Notilo Cloud platform. Depending on your needs and on your industry, you can choose between various plans. With Notilo Cloud Free, synchronise videos with sensors and download videos. With Notilo Cloud Standard, add fly annotations and generate doc or PDF reports. With Notilo Cloud Ship, generate automated reports of ship hull inspections. After your underwater inspection, upload data and media to the online platform. The data will be synchronised for easy reporting. Notilo Cloud Free. The data collected by the Seasam ecosystem is automatically synchronised for easy reporting. Notilo Cloud Standard. The Seasam Underwater Drone is able to bookmark specific points of interest during your operations. With Notilo Cloud Standard, you can find these annotations, edit them, and turn them into insightful reports. After an inspection, you can filter water-only frames to keep only the most relevant images in view. Share the reports with your customers or download them to finish the editing. Notilo Cloud Ship. For ship hull inspections, Seasam allows you to pinpoint the zone of the ship during the inspection. These videos are classified in Notilo Cloud depending on their location on the hull, the depth and fouling and coating conditions. They are analysed together to create interactive reports. The fouling condition of each zone is given with a fouling score, and the number and location of coating defects is marked for each hull area. Share these reports on a mission-by-mission basis with your own partners or customers. Create your own library of vessels and monitor change over time with the fleet extension.